Hi, this is Secunderabad from Vishakhapatnam, Hyderabad. Today I was telling a laptop which is the latest 2023 period from Asus ROG G16. There is a lot of improvement happened in this laptop compared to the previous generation. What is the major advantages and what is the improvement happened? Let's see. First advantages is it comes with a latest 3D NR camera. It's 720p. Previous laptops we did not get in the Strix series we did not get the camera. Now it is improved camera. Second, ROG intelligent cooling system. Everyone knows about the ROG intelligent cooling system. It's a seriously cool and surprisingly quiet. Why means it comes with a 15 degrees lower CPU temperature and maximized airflow. And third is boost up cooling efficiency. And fourth is truly silent. What is mean? It's 15 degrees lower CPU temperature, which helps with comes with a thermal history, liquid metal technology, and maximized airflow. It comes with a 374 air fins, which helps that maximize full surrounding vents for maximum airflow. And coming to the tri-fan technology, with the help of the tri-fan technology, boost up the cooling efficiency. And fourth, it's with the help of the Upto fan, it comes with a truly silent. Next, we talk about the display. Display which comes with a 16:10 aspect ratio with a quad HD screen resolution, and it comes with a nebula display with a peak brightness of 500 nits, and it comes with a G-Sync, NVIDIA G-Sync supportability with the 100% DCI-P3 color gamut. And screen to body ratio, it's 90% of the screen to body ratio with 240 refresh rate with 3 milliseconds response time. This is all about the nebula display with the Strix. And coming to the performance, it comes with up to i9 processor with 16 GB of RAM, with upgradable up to 32 GB and 1 TB of SSD, with we can upgrade up to 2 TB also, and Windows 11 with 4080 graphics, up to 4080 graphics, 12 GB of the graphics with NVIDIA Optimus and plus MUX-Switch technology. NVIDIA Optimus plus MUX-Switch. What is MUX-Switch? MUX-Switch is nothing but switching between the integrated graphic card and dedicated graphic card. With the help of this, we can expect the more battery backup on the gaming laptops, and second, we can expect the better performance, GPU performance in the gaming laptop. Let's see a small example with the MUX-Switch technology. See here, we are having the graphic card. This is a dedicated graphic card. We are having the CPU here. You thought that this is a display. Previously, without MUX-Switch, we need a graphical performance. If you are playing any game, or you are playing giving any rendering application or any 3D application without MUX-Switch, the graphical performance goes to the CPU, and CPU will communicate to the display. This is happens. Now with the help of the MUX-Switch, it is directly connected to the display. With this, we get the more performance. Suppose you are not playing the game, or you are doing some limitation work. You did not need any dedicated graphic card. You can turn off this graphic card and you can add on only this integrated graphics. With the help of this, you get the double the battery backup as compared to the normal. Without MUX-Switch, we get the double the battery backup. This is about the MUX-Switch. And coming to the connectivity. We are having all the major connectivity on these devices. One is we are having the two USB 3.0 and another power socket and Thunderbolt. We can expand up to 4K output, and we can connect the docking stations, and you can connect any third-party accessories also. And it is a power delivery also. It comes with a power delivery also. And two Type-C ports and HDMI 2.1. It comes with up to 8K output and gigabit Wi-Fi LAN, and as well as your aux cable. This is all about the connectivity. And here all the features of this laptop. And the major one more add-on feature. One is that is nothing but harmonic creator. You see here you are getting the RGB lights, and you can customize this RGB with a 4-zone RGB keyboard. This is a 4-zone RGB keyboard. We can customize this RGB, and we can customize the display. We can customize our sound, and we can customize our based on the performance with the help of the harmonic creator. This harmonic creator is a dedicated button which we have in this laptop. This M5 dedicated button. We can check we can customize the performance. With the help of this harmonic creator, we can turn on turn off the MUX-Switch technology, and we can customize the MUX-Switch, and we can customize the modes and etc. This is all about the Asus Strix G16. Thank you.